Kain tayo guys na niluto kanina spinach with mussel or tahong.
You have only one lined up. I'll give you this one.
I have my spinach.
It's in it?
Yeah. And fried chicken. Banana daw. Sarap ang spinach kaya na nilagyan ko ng mussel. No. It's good. I have to.
Not okay. Just because I love my wife and I want to give her. I love my darling.
First time ko nagluto nito guys, ang spinach nilagyan ko ng mussel. Sarap. Pero mussel na. Parang minarinate nila ng suka or vinegar, pero hinumulan ko ng tubig para mawala ang suka. Sobrang laki ng legs ng manok kasi ano to, yung mais ang kinakain. Magpaalam na ako guys kaya 2 minutes lang ang video ko. Bye bye!